and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2014 Vauxhall Mokka 1.6 VVT 16 valve SE stop start in white. It has covered 62,000 miles since new and comes with a full service history. Features include parking sensors, a full leather interior with heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, Bluetooth and cruise control. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.